Hey guys, how you doing? Haven't made a video in a little bit, but wanted to share with you guys a video on my jackfruit. Check this out. This is a golden nugget dwarf variety jackfruit, and very pretty tree. I mean, the jackfruits, they do really well here in South Florida. They're very pretty. The foliage is rich and green, and it's just they always look like a very healthy tree. They grow fast from seeds, and I mean, look at the fruit. Look at that, guys. I mean, obviously, this is a dwarf variety, but I mean, some of them get huge. It's absolutely huge. There's a smaller one right here, and then we got two more up here. Look at this. Definitely ready to get picked. They have like a top leaf that browns, and sometimes the stem, like the one in the back, is already opening a little bit, so the color sometimes change. And they seem to open a little bit on the skin. See, it's not as pointy. Sometimes they have a little give to them as well. So I think I'll be eating jackfruit very, very soon. But highly recommend the jackfruit tree down here in South Florida. I mean, I've never really had it be affected by any kind of disease. They do really well. And even just, I mean, they're very pretty. As a tree, it's a handsome kind of looking tree. So, you know, I think it'll make a great addition to your yard. They kind of grow up, so you don't really need such a huge area, even though they can get pretty big, you know, width and height. But they do pretty well. You can kind of maintain them, you know. I prune the top and the other side on the neighbor's fence, you know, every so often. But you can kind of control them. And look, they're very productive. The fruit is huge. Look, this is the first year that it actually fruits for me. Been in the ground like 3 years. When I bought it, wasn't that big. And look, it's got like 5 or 6 fruit right now. It's got one back there as well. You see? So it's got actually 6. 2 big ones here, another 2 big ones, and then that one back there. So it's got 6, I think. And like I said, first year. So just wanted to kind of share how my jackfruit tree was doing, and and show you the fruit. Alright guys, take care. Thanks for watching.